CAO madam, principal ma'am, teachers, judges, and all my dear friends. I am Amrita Burman of Standard 3A. Today I am going to enact the character of Belle. I'm a smart, curious young girl who lives in a small village. I love reading books and exploring new ideas. I dream to adventure and enjoy spending time with my father who is inventor. I'm gentle, polite, and always ready to help others.
A warm good morning to respected CEO Madam, Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Ashfaq Haider of Standard 3A. Today I am going to enact the character of Beast. I am a prince who was turned into a large scary creature by a spell. I live alone in a grand castle with my grand servant. Though I look fierce and frightening, but deep inside I am lonely.
Oh, what a big scary castle! Who lives here?
Who dares to come into my castle?
I'm sorry. I came here to find my father. Please don't be angry.
You are brave. Your father is safe, but you must stay here with me.
Stay here? You're looking frightening. But I will stay if it keeps my father safe.
Don't be afraid. You may walk in the garden, read books, and dine with me.
Thank you. You are kinder than you look.
You are the first to say that to me.
Beast, I see you that you have a good heart. You're my friend.
Belle, do you think you could ever love me?
Yes, Beast. I love you for your kind heart.
Belle, your love has broken the spell. I am a prince again.
Oh, you were under a spell?
Yes, Belle, your love set me free.
Then let's live happily ever after.
Together forever. Moral of the story is, don't judge others by their looks.
The true beauty is in the heart.
Thank you.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, CEO Ma'am, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Aditya Vardhan Singh from Standard 3B. Today's Iron Man. I am Iron Man, the genius and superhero. I built this powerful suit to protect the world. I may be made of iron, but my heart is full of courage. I believe in using technology for good and helping others. Do you also use technology for good or only to play video games and watch cartoons? If yes, don't misuse technology, because instead use your brain and heart together to make this world a better place. Thank you.
Good morning, respected CAO Madam, Principal Ma'am, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Ananya Kumari. I study in class 3B. I am Aurora, Sleeping Beauty, a kind and a pretty princess. I wear a beautiful pink dress with a shiny crown. I love to dance, play, and sing with my fairy friends. One bad fairy made me sleep with her magic spell. I sleep for many years. A good prince came and woke me up. I am a gentle and a kind princess who loves everyone. Thank you all, and always believe in love and kindness. Thank you.
Good morning, respected CEO Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Aditya Dev Bhagat from class 3C. Today I am going to play the role of Batman. I am a Batman. A Batman is a superhero from Gotham City. His real name is Bruce Wayne. When he was a child, he has lost his parents. He fight to protect his city. He wear black suit and a mask. He is a superhero who does not have any superpower. Batman always fight for justice. Thank you.
Good morning, respected CEO Madam, Principal Ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Adi Shakti Verma from class 3C. I am Wonder Woman. I am Wonder Woman, the princess of Themyscira, the land brave and powerful woman. I was trained by Amazon Worry, who believe in courage, honesty, and kindness. They taught me that the real hero is not the one who fights, but the one who stand up for what is right. Raise your hand proudly. The golden lasso of truth. I make people speak only truth. Every girl can be a hero when she study hard, help others, and never give up. Thank you.
Good morning, respected CAO Madam, Principal Ma'am, judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. My name is Amrit Burman of class 4A. Today I stand here as a proud soldier of India. Let me tell you something. I don't need any identification because my breath says everything. Every breath I take whispers. This is for my motherland. I am heartbeat of the border. When world rest, I stand. When it rise up, I rise higher. Because I don't live for myself, I live for my nation. So let us all say together, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.
A very warm and delightful morning to our CEO Madam, Principal Ma'am, judges, teachers, and all my dear friends. Do you know who am I? Think. Yes, I am a chef, a super chef with a big chef cap. Do you know what is special about me? I am a head chef of my hotel. I give orders, I cook food, I taste, and sometimes I even eat extra food. I cooked Indian, Chinese, and Italian. But most special dishes I have made from India. Yum. So friend, if you want to eat my magical, tasty, yummy food, then come to my hotel. At last, I would like to conclude by saying that life is like cooking. Choose a good ingredient, strive with positivity, or serve with a big smile. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, CEO Madam, and all my dear friends. I am Shaurya from 4B. Now I am starting. Hello everyone, I am Shaurya, a politician leader. People trusted me with their hopes and I promised to serve them with honesty, fairness and courage. I will stand strongly against corruption, favoritism and selfish politics. I will make sure women and children feel protected because a nation becomes powerful only when its women and children feel safe. I will work to improve education, agriculture, health and employment for all. Our country needs a leader who are honest, selfless and abundant and compassionate. When leaders truly love their people, people will also love them back. Let us all work together and make our nation proud. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I am an astronaut. I travel into space in a spacecraft far, far away from the Earth. I explore the stars, planets, galaxies and the secret of this universe. To protect myself, I wear special suit. I carry oxygen cylinders on my back because there is no air in space. Great astronauts like Neil Armstrong, Yuri Gagarin, Kalpana Chawla, Rakesh Sharma, and Sunita Williams inspire me every day. I believe the future of India lies in science, space and imagination. If we dare to dream big, the universe will open its door for us. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Good morning, respected CEO Madam, Principal Ma'am, teachers, judges, and all my dear friends. I am Krishna Sao of Class 4C. I am a bank manager of SBI Bank. Welcome to our bank. Our bank helps people keep money safe and secure. You can also deposit money with trust. We provide ATM cards, checkbooks, and online banking service to make your work easy and quick. If someone needs money for education, business, or buy a new house, we give loans with proper guidelines. A bank is not just a place to keep money. It is a place that helps people to grow and achieve to their dreams. So remember, save money and money will save you. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, CEO Madam, judges, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Aliza Khan and I am from Class 4C. Today I am going to do a role of pilot, a lady pilot. I am a lady pilot. I fly aeroplanes high up in the sky above the clouds where the world looks beautiful, tiny and beautiful. My duty is to take passengers safely from one city to another, sometimes even to other countries. Before flying, I always check the controls and make sure that everything is ready. When I sit in the cockpit, I feel proud, brave, and happy. A pilot must always be careful, calm, confident. Being a pilot is not easy. It needs courage, focus, and confidence. But when I wear my uniform, I feel proud to serve my country and step into plane. I feel proud to serve my country and help people to travel safely. I am proud to serve my country and make my dreams fly high. So always remember, dream big, fly high, and never ever give up. Thank you. Have a safe and happy flight.
Good morning everyone. My name is Amrit from Standard 5A. Today I am going to act as King Ashoka. मैं हूँ मौर्य सम्राट अशोक। 30वीं शताब्दी ईसा पूर्व में मैंने सारनाथ पर एक धर्म चक्र की स्थापना की। मेरा धर्म चक्र जीवन, गति और धर्म का प्रतीक है। इसमें 24 तिलियां हैं। हर तिली एक मूल्य दर्शाते हैं। इन 24 तिलियों में सत्य, संयम, न्याय, करुणा और परिश्रम ये हमें बताती है कि जीवन में ठहराव नहीं, निरंतर आगे बढ़ना ही धर्म है। सदियों बाद यह चक्र हमारे भारत के झंडे में आया। 22 जुलाई 1947 में ये राष्ट्र का गति और प्रगति बन गया और आज आप सब इसे अशोक चक्र के नाम से जानते हैं। धन्यवाद।
As Queen Padmavati of Chittor, known for her beauty and wisdom.
चली कुंड की और कंचनी काया को चमकाने, गुहिल वन शपूत हुए सूरज को अमर बनाने, चली कटारी आज बड़ी तलवारों से टकराने, खिलजी विलजी क्या पूरी दुनिया के होश उड़ाने।
Good morning everyone. My name is Nishu Gorai from class 5A. I am act as Rani Padmavati. शर्म लुटा के जीने से बेहतर होती है वीर गति. जब तक था जीवन में प्राण, यही कह रही थी रानी पद्मावती. चली चला चित्तौड़, चला मेवाड़, चली जब सतिया. हे अग्निदेव स्वीकार करो 16,000 आहुतियां.
Excellent performance, Nishu.
थैंक यू. मैं हूँ छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज, राजमाता जीजाबाई का गर्वित पुत्र. मैंने सपना देखा था स्वराज्य का, जहाँ सबको आज़ादी, न्याय और सम्मान मिले. मेरी तलवार ने सत्य के लिए लड़ाई लड़ी और मेरा दिल अपनी प्रजा और मातृभूमि के लिए धड़का. प्यारे बच्चों, याद रखना, सूर्य की तरह सच्चे बनो, शेर की तरह बहादुर बनो और मराठा की तरह सर गर्व से ऊंचा रखो. जय भवानी.
नमस्कार, मैं हूँ राजमाता जीजाबाई साहाजी भोसले, महान छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज की माता. जब देश पर अत्याचार और अन्याय का अंधेरा था, तब मैंने अपने बेटे से कहा, बेटा, तलवार से पहले सच्चाई का बल सबसे बड़ा होता है. मैंने शिवाजी को सिखाया, अन्याय सहना भी पाप है, धर्म और सत्य के मार्ग पर चलना ही वीरता है. मैं माँ हूँ, पर साथ ही एक देशभक्त भी. मेरी गोद में पलकर एक बालक नहीं, एक महान सम्राट जन्मा, जिसने भारत भूमि को गौरवान्वित किया. प्यारे बच्चों, याद रखो, सच्चाई, साहस और मातृभूमि से प्रेम ही सबसे बड़ी ताकत है. धन्यवाद.
बाअदब, बामुलाइजा, होशियार बादशाह अकबर पीएस के मंच पर पधार रहे हैं.
सलाम मेरे प्यारे लोगों. I am Jalaluddin Muhammad Akbar, the Badshah of Hindustan. At 13 years old, after my father's death, I became the emperor of Mughal Empire. Our empire was small and weak, but with the courage and effort, I made it one of the strongest empire of India. Strongest empire. Our empire was small and weak, but I made one of the strongest empire of India. After my one of the, in my Rajput queen Jodhabai brought love and united for my Mughal and Rajput family. My Rajput family at Mughal and Rajput family. Our family was Rajput and Mughal family. My greatest achievement was not to winning just a battle, but winning the heart of the people. That a true empire rule with justice and humanity, not fear. Not fear. Not fair. That's why history remember me as Akbar the Great. History remember me as Akbar the Great. Akbar the Great. That's why history remember me as Akbar the Great. May God bless Hindustan with harmony, peace and harmony. Khuda Hafiz.
हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी. मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, और मैं अपनी झांसी को उन ब्रिटिश के सामने सर झुकाने नहीं दूंगी. My sword and courage will defend my people, my land, and even if I face death. I may be a woman, but I fight like a lioness for my kingdom and my honor. I have led armies, faced battles, and stared death in the eye. I have no fear in my heart. The British may think they are mighty, but they cannot catch the spirit of a queen who loves her people. I will ride into battle, sword in hand, and defend my kingdom until my last breath. Jhansi is not just a fort. It is the heart and soul of my people, and I will protect it at any cost. History will remember me as a queen who refused to bow, who refused to yell, and who fought with freedom. I am the mother of my people. I am the shield of Jhansi and the storm that strikes injustice. मैं रानी लक्ष्मीबाई, महाराज गंगाधर राव की पत्नी, नवलकर वंश की बधू, ये प्रतिज्ञा करती है, जब तक मेरे शरीर में रक्त है, जब तक मेरे हृदय में धड़कन है, जब तक मेरे श्वास में प्राण है, मैं पूर्ण निष्ठा से झांसी की सेवा करूंगी। नहीं झुकने दूंगी झांसी का स्वाभिमान, नहीं झुकने दूंगी मातृभूमि का मस्तक। मैं झांसी नहीं दूंगी, मैं झांसी नहीं दूंगी।